Hello, my name is Anthony Lagunzad. Among other things, I run Ohio Chamber's Political Action Committee. OCCPAC is the political arm of the Chamber charged with supporting candidates who demonstrate their commitment to strengthening Ohio's economic climate. In mid-June, OCCPAC announced our two most important endorsements for this year's general election, endorsing Justices Judy French and Sharon Kennedy for re-election to the Ohio Supreme Court. Ohio Supreme Court decisions have a substantial impact on anyone living, working, or running a business in Ohio, as well as affect the state's business climate and economic future. 20 years ago, Ohio had a Supreme Court controlled by an activist majority whose arbitrary and impulsive judicial opinions greatly increased liability risk for businesses. In other words, the court at that time made it easier for companies and business owners to get sued for this or that. You might say we had a court only personal injury lawyers and organized labor could love. But, led by the Ohio Chamber, an active and engaged business community helped create a new majority on the Supreme Court. Justices French and Kennedy have been stalwarts in respecting the separation of powers. Though most justices now serving on the Supreme Court respect the separation of powers and let the legislature do the legislating, rulings on important cases are often decided by either 4-3 or 5-2 majorities. So, with the 2 seats up for election this fall, we are at risk of losing the current philosophical majority. Let's not return to the era when the court was controlled by activist justices who legislate from the bench. This November, be sure to cast your ballot for Justices Judy French and Sharon Kennedy for the Ohio Supreme Court. And contact me today if you want to find out how you can do more to help.